websites, emails, automations, and more fully customized in less than 10 minutes. That's what we're going to be showing here on the Agent CRM Customizer demo. What is the customizer? Well, let's backtrack for a second to what even is Agent CRM. We are a business automation management suite. There's AI, there's calendars, there's all the tools you need to manage your business. But often people come to us and the question is, where do I start? Or it takes too long to set up. I want to make this my own, but I don't have the time. It's open enrollment. Things like that. Well, that is why we've listened to that feedback, and there's been a few new developments with the technology that allow us to dramatically streamline this process. I'm going to show you some cool things here. Note that this feature, the customizer, works hand in hand with the new branding bundles. So I'm going to cover kind of a dual demo here with the customizer and a branding bundle. Our goal is to present you, the agent, with an all-in-one, easy to access suite of nurturing and conversion campaigns, websites, and more. I'll cover the main ones briefly as I demo this itself. But let's just show you briefly, if you are an Agent CRM user, inside of the click and play assets, this is what I'm demoing today with the customizer. Medicare, ACA, life, annuities, they're all coming out after this video shortly. You're going to download the bundle. It's going to bring into your Agent CRM account the assets. This is what we're going to actually use as an example for the customizer. Life insurance assets. You're going to see 1 to 7, new lead to renewal, the full process of a user coming through your system. But let's get right to the customizer. Coming with every account, there's a whole suite of emails, conversion and nurturing. There's a whole website. Let's look at that as an example. Let me hit refresh here to load because I have a picture that's coming in hot. So this is the look of a website generally that everyone has access to through a branding bundle. We've added some animations, looks super sleek. It has information, etc. There's Harry's insurance. There's his blue and his brown. There's his face. There's his name. There's his NPN. Everything is modified. You can see his quotes go in there. I'm going to change this in front of you because your colors are probably not blue and brown. And that's definitely not your face there. Check this out here. I've got one email of many. And I'm just going to click preview to show you. So you can see there brown and blue, Harry's insurance. Now the calendar will also update. So when they click, this will lead to your calendar. These are the assets that are included. But we want to brand it to a different business. Now, there are dozens of individual assets, tons of emails. You don't have time to go into each one. Obviously, check, make sure the language sounds like you. You can customize if you want. But really, we want to just get in there quick. We want to send these emails out, and we don't want to have to take too much time to modify any of the assets. So we're going to go to Account Customizer on the top left-hand side of Agent CRM, and it's going to have 7 steps to customize. You submit, and you can come back as many times as you want. In this example, we're going to change it from Harry's to Hurley's insurance. So I'm not going to fill in all of them because I'm just going to demonstrate the main places that are visually impacted, but you get the point. You fill it in, it updates it. First and last name, we're actually going to change this to Hugo Reyes, and he is a insurance dude. I'm not going to change the bio. I don't have a bio prepped for you. You get the point. I just want to demo and show you. Let's change the picture here. Choose the file, then click upload. Don't forget to click upload. Boom, there's our insurance agent. National producer number 4, 8, 15, 16, 23, 42. Next. And we're going to change the brand colors together. Now, what is a hex code? What is an RGBA code? Those are the things that You don't really need to know. Essentially, a color has a number that corresponds to it. A hex code, it has the little hashtag. That's the primary one that most people are familiar with. We've got some examples, but I want to show you a way to find your colors or find a color you like using an image. You'll notice here, to find your brand hex colors based on your logo, click here. Let's do that together. This is going to be another website. It's going to just be a handy tool. We have nothing to do with image color picker. We just found, hey, maybe some of our agents would find this helpful. What you're going to do is you're going to choose your image. You can use a URL. Let's just go back, color on your screen, URL, image. I just upload. Let's find here Hurley Insurance. I created this earlier. It uploads your insurance logo and then it tells you, hey, this is your color. So there's a little bit of a palette there. I'm going to choose this one. I think that would look really nice. Copy either of these. I usually do the hex code. We're going to go back. Brighter color or more vibrant color should be in the call to action. And I'm going to take probably kind of that darker gray. That might look good. You have to sometimes fiddle around, but let's take 343434 and let's punch that into the main color. Once you click away, it usually updates. We're going to choose a new logo. We're going to click Hurley's Insurance and click Upload. We're going to click Next. Don't need those for now. Testimonials, this is where you would just punch in your latest and greatest pieces of feedback that will help to convince new leads, hey, Hurley, he knows how to take care of people. Hurley brings good luck. Experience, 815 clients sold with 16 years of experience. Calendars, this is the place that modifies all of the email campaigns. So if you have a calendar specifically for Medicare, you punch that address in here. Same thing for life insurance. Submit. And I've already submitted the previous one, so let's just hit refresh. This is where the magic begins. Refresh. If you can wave your fingers with me, check that out. Hurley's Insurance logo on the top left. Nice, beautiful. That's actually a really nice. What is that? It's like a green gray. It actually works really well with the image too. There's the image of Hurley here, Hugo Reyes, NPN 4, 8, 15, 16, 23, 42, 4, 8, 15, 16, 23, 42. I'm a Lost fan. If you haven't picked that up by now, everything has been fully customized to Hurley's Insurance. Let's go back to the image here. This is the email. And let's click preview. And we need to refresh to grab that new information. Check it out, check it out. Remember to click the 3 dots, preview, and there it is. Now those are actually really nice colors. I'm definitely going to use this branding for future demos, but check that out. Hurley's Insurance, the color is updated. The footer is updated with that secondary color. And if we look back here, this is using something called custom values. You upload what is the answer to the custom value, or what is the piece of information linked to it, and anywhere you punch that custom value. This is going to be custom value life insurance calendar. So we don't have to go into every email. We don't have to update it. We just have to fill in the customizer, and every single place in our branding bundles is going to be instantly changed to fit your branding and your needs. We are so excited to roll these features out because of the dramatic streamlining, the speed to launch for campaigns. Let's just go one last thing here to show you what's included with a branding bundle. Everything that matches with the customizer here. New lead campaigns, rapid fire messages to new leads who have just responded, life insurance new leads, or your product here. New lead sequence, we've got a 12-month sequence. You can dive in here to view each individual email. Check that out. Cross-sell campaigns, renewal campaigns. and more. No-show campaigns, trying to get them back on a calendar, appointment reminder campaigns, onboarding campaigns, etc. All of these things are fully customizer compatible and included with Agent CRM's branding bundles. This is free for all users who are on the monthly subscription, and we're pleased to offer these cutting-edge breakthrough tools to streamline your success with us. If you are not an Agent CRM user currently, we invite you to check out agents-crm.com. Find out more. You've got a 14-day free trial. You can fill in that customizer as many times as you want and give our assets a test run. I hope that this has been a helpful tutorial, and also look for more YouTube videos on some of the other features. I'm covering each individual feature, especially in the branding bundles right now, the websites, cross-sell campaigns, and more. This is Will Winter, Operations Manager at Agent CRM. Thanks for watching.